How we doing out there, guys? So we are at another week, another video week here, and just to kind of give you a sense of what is next, it's pretty much the final home stretch here. Next week, Thanksgiving, so we're not going to have anything to do, any heavy lifting, probably not anything at all. Let me check with the college about that. If I could just, give everyone a week off, I'm sure we would all appreciate that. I'm pretty sure that that's what they do anyway, but don't hold me to it. Let me verify with them first, and then I'll let you guys know in like a class-wide email or something. But after that week, there's our final week of class, okay? So we're talking about like the week of let's see, that Friday will be the 3rd, my birthday, okay? And then the following week, I think, is like exam week. Now, we don't have an exam in this class. And again, I'm giving you guys the GNTC time frame, not the SHS one. I'm not sure what that one is. So final grades, I think, are due I think it's the second week of December, second full week of December. Anyway, so we're looking at about, not counting Thanksgiving, about 2, 3, and after this week. So after this week, not counting Thanksgiving, about 2 to 3 weeks left of school. Okay. So that's just a time frame for you there. Now, makeup work, things that have not been turned in on time or have been submitted via email. Remember, this is just going to be an ongoing notification to you all. That there's no guarantee that I'm going to get those in, and if I do, there's certainly no guarantee that you will get full credit, okay? As we get down to the home stretch, things are going to ramp up. For me, I have final projects to do with my program at school. I also have midterms that I have to make up for the middle schoolers, so time is not going to be a luxury that I'll be able to, really afford. So that being said, if by some miracle I'm left twiddling my thumbs one day, doodle doo doo doo, ooh, I know what I'll do. I'll check my GNTC email and look at late assignments or emailed assignments and get those in the gradebook. Okay. If that opportunity comes, I will oblige, but it's not a guarantee. Okay. So I'm doing as I've told you guys for several weeks now. When I go and look for my turned in work, your turned in work for me to grade, and Blackboard, and it's not there, it's immediately a 0. I'm not going into my email looking at it, okay, or looking for it, I should say. It's only going to be if at the end of the term I have spare time, okay? Then I will try to, get, scrolling through my email and seeing what I could find from those who have submitted things via email. So, certainly you want to make sure that you're on the ball here on out, turning things in on time, okay? Due dates are under assignments. They're in announcements, okay, or I will say them here in the video. This week, 2 things. One, a voluntary activity, the blog. You don't have to do it, of course. The blog, though, if you choose to do it, asks you guys to kind of reflect on this proofreading, editing, and, or I should say revising, editing, and proofreading process that we are doing the second half of the class here, revisiting our old essays and kind of, taking some time to kind of reflect on your process with that. So the blog will be due Friday. Blogs and journals are always due on a Friday, okay? You don't have to do the blog, okay? If you do, though, I'm going to take the 3 blogs from the second half, do about 2 points apiece for each entry that you do. So you're looking at about 6 points on your edited, revised, augmented MLA research essay, which we will be getting to in a few weeks, okay? So it does behoove you to do the blog, but you don't have to. The thing that you do have to do this week is the revised, edited, augmented, argumentative, persuasive essay, okay? So on your argumentative, persuasive topic from some weeks back, again, you are adding a page to it, okay? And you are cleaning up any major errors, okay? If you do those things, you are eligible for full credit on the assignment, which is a classwork homework assignment. But I take that, I average it with your old one, and then that average becomes your locked in grade for the original essay assignment, okay? So be looking at any comments, your rubric score, and certainly add a page from the original. When it comes time to do the MLA research essay redo, I think I have you guys doing all that we have been doing, but also adding one more source as well, okay? So that is coming up, but not for another few weeks, at the very tail end of the term, okay? So really short and sweet video this week, guys. The only thing you must do, compulsory assignment, is that argumentative persuasive essay redo, and then voluntary, if you'd like to, the blog, asking you to reflect on the process of revising, editing, and proofreading. And be advised, again, going forward, that there is no guarantee that I am going to accept or give credit to any work that is turned in late or in my email, okay? Try though I might, well-intentioned though I may be, to get that stuff turned around for you. There is no guarantee. It gets really hectic at the final stretch here before Christmas, okay? So just keep that in mind, all right? All right, everybody, with that, namaste, I guess, okay? And I'll see you again in a couple weeks. I wish you a happy Thanksgiving with the rollout of next week's no video announcement. But otherwise, hang loose, keep it real, all that stuff. Bye-bye.